Hello, good afternoon, and happy Sunday to you. I remember Bearable King, and today I just want to do a quickly run on what I would be looking at for this week. So today happens to be the 19th of November, 2023, meaning that the year is about to close. I have roughly about two, three more, no, about 4 or 5 weeks more to trade for the year 2023. And because the year is rounding down, I won't be trading a lot of pairs. I'm just going to focus on GBPUSD. I'm not trading Euro USD because Euro USD is slow and there are a lot of whipsaw movements there at the moment because there is low liquidity. While gold is a sporadic pair and it has the capacity of wiping out accounts with dangerous moves around this period. So for now, I'm going to be playing in between low volatility, that is EU, and high volatility, which is gold. So I'll be focusing on GU majorly till the end of the month or the year 2023. So as you can see, I'm going to do a quick top to bottom, right? We had an upward movement on GU and it tapped this key zone and came back to this key zone. So what I've done here is I've marked out the order blocks on the daily time frame. Now, what's the essence of the order block? The price has to move from one point to the other, right? So personally, I'm expecting that this price is going to move to the upper side. And the reason why I'm expecting it to move to the upper side is because we already have a change in direction here, right? Now, when we talk about change in direction, what does that mean? The price came from up here, down here, pushed up, came down here, rained a bit, right? Then came down here, pushed up, and then fell down to this place, pushed up a bit, came down here. Then after this point, we had a change in direction here, meaning that it gave us a higher high here. Then it gave us a higher low here, gave us an internal move. This is an internal move because it was between this lowest point and this new high point. And after that, it has created a higher high, which is a confirmation that the price wants to move up. And guess what? The market is pushing up to the upper side. So what am I expecting? Right now, two things can happen. The price can either run up to this point or come down to close this gap before running to the upper side. So overall, on the higher time frame, when it comes to GBP USD, I am bullish. Okay. I am bullish when it comes to GBP USD, and that's because we have a change in structure from a bearish structure to now a bullish structure. Okay. On the 4 hour time frame, this is what we have, right? The market came from down here, which was the lowest in between this high and this low, and pushed up to this point, right? Which means this is our new significant low and this is our new significant high. Now I'm going to apply my Fibonacci from this low to this high. All right. Now see what happened. The price actually came down to 61.8 pip level and then did what? Pushed to the upper side, thus creating a higher high here, which simply tells me that if we had a pullback to 61.8 pip level, we can expect the price to run all the way from here to what? 161.8 pip level. So this is the pip extension. This is the retracement. It retraced to 61.8 pip level. I'm expecting it to extend to 161.8 pip level, which is what I have up here. Now, if this is the case, initially I was anticipating that the price was going to come to close this gap right here, which is still very possible. However, what has happened right now is the price has given us a double bottom formation here, right? And when we talk about double bottom formation, what does that mean? the market gave a very, let me zoom in a bit so that you can see it clearly. All right. Now, what we have here right now is the market pulled down a bit, right, and gave a W formation. So right now the price is here, meaning that we have equal lows and equal highs here. Two things can happen in this market, right? Two things can happen in this market. One, the price could reject this point, push back down, maybe break below it, pull up, drop to this point, and then do what? Move to this upside. Or the market could break above this point like this, pull back here, and then do what? Run to the upside. Okay, so I'm going to paint this blue and I'm going to paint this red. Okay, let me delete the Fibonacci so that it will be clear. So we have a double bottom here and we have the price at this high here, meaning that two things can happen at this level. It's either the price will break above, we test this point, and upon confirmation, we can buy to this high side, meaning that we could either take a trade like this, say from here, set your stop loss below the candle, and ride it all the way to the top here, which should give you about 7R. Remember that you're entering the trade on candlestick confirmation that the price is pushing to the upper side. So you could actually take a trade like this, or you could wait for the price to come down here. If it rejects this point, right? If it rejects this point, it gives us more opportunities to trade. For example, you could initially take the sell confirmation here, set your stop loss above it, right? And then ride it to this bottom, which will give you about 3R. Then upon confirmation, you could take a buy from here, set your stop loss below the candlestick confirmation, and then ride it to this level, which should give you about 7.5R. So keep this in mind. Take this chart, keep it somewhere. We want to see what the market will do come Monday morning. Would it break above or come down? If it's coming down, you can expect the red line movement. If it's going up, you can expect the blue movement. So I'm going to stop my videos here now, and we'll come back probably next week. Stay on the channel. I will try to post analysis as much as I can, and see you guys next week. Bye-bye.